Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into account, Microsoft. Com with the account that owns Microsoft 365 Personal. Once signed in, open subscriptions so you see the exact plan and billing date. This prevents canceling the wrong account. Make sure you know the payment method and last charge. This helps if you need a refund. Use a desktop browser for full controls because the site shows cancellation options more reliably. If prompted, verify your identity. This keeps your data secure and confirms you're the account owner. You now click Manage next to Microsoft 365 Personal and look for Cancel or Turn Off Recurring Billing. These are different, so read the text. Choosing Turn Off Recurring Billing stops renewal but keeps access until the paid term ends. Cancel Now may end access immediately. If a prorated refund is available, the page explains it. Note why refunds differ across regions and payment types. Confirm prompts carefully. Once you confirm, Microsoft sends an email receipt of the cancellation or billing change. Finish by checking your inbox for the cancellation confirmation and revisiting services and subscriptions to verify status. Once done, back up OneDrive files and export Outlook data. Make sure you keep anything you'll need after access ends. If the cancellation didn't process, use the account portal's support chat or call support. Have your payment receipt and account email ready to speed resolution. If a refund seems missing, explain the charge date and billing method, and they'll investigate. This avoids surprises on your next statement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.